And that is the sound of the closing bell at the New York Stock Exchange. The war in Ukraine continues to drive the markets down. The Dow Jones dropped over 700 points at one point during the day as the fighting intensified and oil prices spike.
The S&P and tech-heavy NASDAQ both suffered losses. They each ended the day down more than 1.5%.
So let's bring in Axios business reporter Hope King now. Hi, Hope. Thank you for joining us. So what drove the market so far down today? I mean, at one point towards the end of the day, it was over 700 points down. It came up just a little bit to close at around 600 points, but still, quite a down day. What was it all about Ukraine?
It still is, absolutely. And you're seeing the situations change moment to moment. And investors are certainly watching that to figure out where they should be placing their bets. One of the things that, we've talked about together here, and you actually just mentioned it, oil prices soaring above $100 again, that really is impacting sentiment going forward. And that's really one big part of the market story today. The other big part of the story have been bank stocks. They're looking at potentially lower sales and revenue going forward if their lending business slows down. So those are the two major factors today driving down markets.
And Hope, we're seeing a growing number of companies pull out of Russia. Is this an effect of sanctions, or is this the idea of not wanting to appear as those companies as siding with the Kremlin? Are the risks just too high?
It's a little bit of the sanctions that, are really predating these decisions for these companies to leave and to stop doing business there. Just crossing the wire now, Apple looks like they have stopped selling products in Russia. Nike has as well. And one of the reasons is because the sanctions have limited the ability for Russian customers, Russian banks to access their money for the capital flow. And so if you're a business selling products there, you're going to see a hit to your business. I think the other potential, reason and cause is companies have employees there. They have operations there. They want to make sure that those staff members are safe. And so I think from a humanitarian perspective, they're also thinking about the people that are impacted by continuing to do business in that country.
All right. Hope King with Axios. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks, Hope.
Thank you.